Hey guys, Josh here on my channel. I guess it's Positivity my channel. But Nerf guns and pranks. Excuse me. Okay. This video I'm going to be showing you the most firepower kicking Nerf guns, the best guns to handle, I guess, as in the best mega guns to handle, and then the best disc shooter to handle, and then the best regular elite dart gun to handle, and that shoots with the most firepower. Okay, I am saying the best mega gun that has the best handling and accuracy, I'd have to say, is the Nerf Mega Big Shock. It's actually pretty cheap, about $10 at least. I mean, at the maximum in the stores. Has a pretty big kick to it, but the accuracy is really good, and it has a built-in sight for you, so it's pretty nice, and it holds an extra dart at the top if you really need to. But I'm going to shoot it once, just so you can see. I'm going to try and hit the coffee pot, if you guys can see it, right on top by the clock. And that was a quick aim. And if you saw, I can probably do a replay with it. If you didn't see that, then oh well, because I did it 2 times and it's really easy to aim. But this would probably be chosen as one of my secondary guns in a Nerf war. One of the, okay, I'm not saying one of, the best mega gun in the Nerf war. It's huge, but it holds 6 darts, which is a lot, and has a very big kick, and stings like a bitch when it hits you. The sensor one. It is easy to load, holds 6 darts. The aiming has a pretty good accuracy, but not as good as the pistol. I'm going to try to hit the coffee pot, but if not, you'll probably just see the kick that it has, and it's pretty loud when it shoots. If you really are a serious Nerfer, it's about $60 in stores. I'd suggest you to get one of them if you're looking into more Nerf darts or and guns. Because, 1, these darts are so big that they're kind of hard to lose. And 2, they hurt more when you get hit with them in a Nerf war. I'm going to shoot it now. I don't know if it has another one, but it has a pretty big kick. We'll do that one more time. One more time. Has a pretty big kick to it, and it's pretty loud when you shoot it. The only thing that sucks is if you're trying to do a sneak attack, I wouldn't suggest that gun. Probably the pistol. Okay, now, if we're going into the disc shooters, I would have to say the Vortex Vigilon is one of the best guns I have ever seen in the disc shooting series. I know some of you might try to correct me in the comments or something about how you think that your, excuse that phone call, that your like a zombie strike disc shooter is so much better because your darts go in the dark or something. But I'm saying the best gun with the most accuracy and stings, you're gonna have to go with the Vigilon. It holds a maximum of 5 darts or discs, but it has pistol action. easy to load, and shoots pretty hard. I'm going to shoot the coffee pot with it. It doesn't have the best accuracy, but it works. And it works pretty good. Where the hell did my gecko go? Favorite spot. Can you just stay over here, buddy? Okay. That's the best disc shooter. And if it ever jams, it just gives you an easy thing to do. You might say that the one that shoots 2 discs at a time is better, but at accuracy it definitely isn't, because it shoots 2 discs, and I have it, and I never had both of the discs align together and shoot perfectly, so they basically split apart as they go on. So it's not one of the best to use. But the Vigil one, pretty good. Okay. One of my most favorited N-Strike Elite Series guns, I have to say, is a Retaliator. It holds 12 darts, which is a pretty big maximum capacity. I'd say besides 18, but it has an easy access if it jams. It doesn't jam, and it has a pretty good accuracy and a built-in sight to the barrel extension. Put in 2 nerf darts just so my fans are happy when I shot 2 times. Okay. It has a good accuracy when you put the aim up. The only thing I really don't like about Nerf guns is that the aims usually aren't dead on correct. Like if you were sniping something in real life with a real sniper, it would almost be dead on correct if you're good at it. And I'm really good at this gun. I've had it for almost 12 months. And it is one of my favorites out of all of them. I don't have much zombie strikes because I think they suck. No offense to the zombie strike users, but they kind of do. The best ones I have to say are the pistols, though. I got those and they kind of suck, though. Okay, take a look. It has a really good accuracy. I'm going to shoot at the camera this time, and if you see something go onto the camera, then that means I hit it dead on. Probably won't happen, but I was really close, though. And it stings, too. I'm surprised if it hits my camera that it won't make the laptop fly back. That hit it. There you go. Dead on correct, and it has a really good accuracy. There's only one thing I have to say about the Vigilant Nerf gun right here. I forgot to tell you about it. I'll tell you one more thing about it, is that it sucks because it only holds 5, but better than 10 from the 2-disc shooter. But one thing I'm telling you about the Retaliator that's kind of bad. With the Recon CS6, it held another dart clip right there with its extension. This one doesn't. Which kind of sucks because if you're in the Nerf war, you're screwed if you run out of bullets. Unless you're playing secondary, which has a secondary gun, because it's secondary. But I'm getting some new Nerf guns probably next month for one of my bros with Libby. Buying a bunch off for like $100. But thank you for watching. This episode was probably one of my most longest episodes I've ever had. But it's pretty amazing. If you have a Facebook, comment your Facebook below to win a Mega Big Shot. If you live in Pennsylvania, you can win and I'll ship it to your house. Just a chance. I'll come with the darts. 2 darts. Just a chance to win a really good Nerf gun. Sting. Oh, fuck. It does sting your hand when it shoots. So, I really appreciate you for watching. Thank you for watching.